So here I just got some stickers from the Titan 2 at a speed 348 and force 102. This is the result. Sorry, this is the result. It did got messed up in here, but it was because the way I had it set up, I actually got folded right here, if you can see, and it's at the same level. So yeah, this was kind of like an accident that happened, but other than that, everything came up pretty nice, pretty neat. If you could see right there, the cuts, they're pretty nice. You could see there's no perforations through the bottom, just here where it got a little accident. And I am gonna explain a little bit more of why and how is it that this happened. Before you put your paper, when you put your vinyl, try to always make sure and test it. Run it back and forward. You could do this right here, run it back and run it front. So right here, this is what happened. You see? You see right here? It's not really getting the vinyl. So that was my mistake. I was supposed to put a little bit more towards this side. Now when I move it to the front, oops, sorry. Let me grab it again. You kind of know the idea. So this was pretty nice. If you could see, it was getting it right there. So it had a little bit from where to hold, so this doesn't happen. So the rest of the sticker came up pretty nice, pretty neat. This is just a sample it says that I'm doing. Let's do the rest and see how the sticker is gonna look now. Let's check it out. So I have my setup over here on the computer. This is the measurements right there. I'm actually gonna change this to inches because I do struggle a little bit more with millimeters. So this is what we're trying to print out, to cut. This is the picture right here, and that's it. Let's see how this is looking. Bear with me, okay? So what we're gonna do right here, I'm gonna cut it. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm dropping you guys. Okay. I'm actually not even holding my phone. I'm trying to figure it out right here. So I'm sorry for all those movements. So what I am gonna do here is you know what? I see some cuts. I see it in an outline. I don't know if you can see it right there. You see those outlines? I'm not supposed to be making those. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to edit my picture once again. See, those are the accidents that happen. Let's see what's going on. Actual size. Okay, I see it here. So what I will do is ungroup again. Oh no, but this I have to do an ink space. I am gonna ungroup. I have to try to fix this. Let's figure it out. What's going on in here? Okay, so this area right here. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. I did this, figure it out, and I'm gonna come back with you with another video on how was it that I resolved this problem. You got the idea? Bye. Talk to you soon.